how to turn on show bookmark bar on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find show bookmark bar on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and here you will find the layout and the menu. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just turn it on, show bookmark bar, and as you see the show bookmark bar have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.